Hello everyone, good morning. In previous session, we understand the scale of Java, like how industry using Java and how popular it is. And today we'll see what is basically programming language. We consider Java as a programming language. Java is one of the programming languages that we have available. So as it is a programming language, let's understand what it is. Java is a programming language. Okay. What is language? Then what is programming? That it is. Basically, languages will help us to communicate each other. Let's say if you want to talk with a person, let's say here you are A here, and if you want to talk with B, you need a medium or you need a language to speak. So A want to speak with the B, just want to know where is the nearby hotel. So he want to get the accommodation. So he want to know are there any nearby hotels. So how he will ask if both know English. So first he will ask, are you comfortable in English? If B say yes, then he will ask a question that are there any nearby restaurants or hotels or stays? So then B will carefully listens that and he will respond, yes, there are so many hotels nearby, so you can visit so and so hotel and you can get the accommodation. If A and B are in Germany and if they want to speak each other in German, then A will ask the same thing in German language and B will respond it. If both are in Arabian countries, A will ask in Arabian language and B will respond the same. And the same thing in other languages also, they can communicate if they are comfortable in Hindi or Telugu or Tamil, Kannada. As you know, there are so many languages in the world. So if both are comfortable in both the languages, if they are aware of the language which they are speaking, they can easily able to communicate each other. So that is the need of a language. Language will help us here these two persons to communicate each other. Then now, if we enter into computer world, if a man wants to talk with a computer, if he want to exchange communication between a man and computer, then how it is possible? If this A wants to talk with the same thing, A want to talk with a computer. A wants to talk with a computer machine, a computer. Or nowadays you can see mobile devices, anything you can call a computer machine, a computing machine. Now A wants to talk with the computer. So if we speak in English, will A understand? If A speaks to computer, hey, are there any nearby restaurants? Will it respond? No. There should be a medium between computer and the human. That is what programming languages will help us here. So let's say like Java, if you use any programming language, in that programming language, if you write code or instructions, that code will help here to communicate. The same questions if we place to computer now by using any programming language, then computer will able to help you in a response. So you need a programming language between human and a computer. Without programming language, we can't able to build communication between humans and computers. So how it will work? What is the programming language? If you see a definition, a programming language is having set of instructions that developers use to create a software. So if you pick up any programming language like C or C++ or Java, you pick C or C++ or Java or Python or .NET, pick any programming language, C Sharp, .NET, PHP, any programming language. So all these programming languages will help you to build a software, and each programming language will have some set of instructions, or you may call them keywords. Using that set of instructions or keyword, we can build or create a software. Then once you create the software, we can deploy into any computer. We can install it into any computer, so that we can interact with the computers. So now you understand what is programming language. So the programming language will have instructions. Using that instructions, we build a software. That software will help us to interact with the computers. Yeah. Any example here? Yes. If you see example, I want to show some message on a signboard. I want to show some message on a signboard. To show message in a digital board, something keep moving. In a traffic, I want to put to pedestrians keep moving sign. So how you will code? A simple code or syntax you can see in Java we will write system.out.println, and whatever you want to display you can keep it here. Keep moving. And if you integrate this code with these signboards, then it will show keep moving will display there. Same thing. If you want to write the same in C, you will write printf. If it is in Python, you will use print. So what are all these? So here in Java or C or Python, whatever you have written here is including the message. Keep moving is a message. But before message, there is some code. There is some syntax that I have used. So that syntax or code built by using that particular programming language keywords. So then that keywords helping you here to build this signboard. It is a simple example, and you can see this is simple syntax. So this is how programming languages will help you to code, and you can deploy and you can start utilizing it. Thank you guys.